Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss hyphenated compound words in detail. But before moving forward, watch my video on compound words and its types. It will make the job easy for you to learn hyphenated compound words. The link has been given in the description box and you can also click at the right corner above. Now, what are hyphenated compound words? Compound words having hyphen. For example, part-time, fire resistant, where this minus sign is hyphen, which joins part and time. Same is the case with the fire resistant, where hyphen joins fire and resistant, making it one word. Hyphenated compound words have some rules. Its first rule is, in most cases, a compound adjective is hyphenated if placed before the noun it modifies, but not if placed after the noun. For example, a long-term solution. Here, long-term modifies the noun solution. In the following sentence, the word long-term is used after the noun, so it is not hyphenated. Same is the next sentence, where part-time modifies the noun teacher, and in the next sentence, the word part-time is used after the noun, so it is not hyphenated also. Rule number 2. Sometimes we may hyphenate for clarity. Look at the sentence, old furniture salesman, where it doesn't clarify whether we are talking about the old furniture or the old salesman. So it is not clear. If we put the hyphen between the word old and furniture, the sentence will get bright clear and the ambiguities will be washed out. Hyphen should be used with modifiers. When a modifier appears before a noun, you would hyphenate it. But if it appears after the noun, you do not bother with hyphenating. For example, it was a very high-speed chase. Here the word high-speed is hyphenated because the noun is following it. But in the second sentence, the same compound word high-speed is not hyphenated because it is not followed by any noun. Other modifiers which are sometimes hyphenated, sometimes not, are as follows: 5 year long, fire resistant, short term, good looking, blue gray, second rate. The decision of whether to hyphenate or not is based on the location of the noun these compound words modify. Now, when to use hyphen and what are its exceptions? If a word ending in ly will rarely form part of a hyphenated compound. For example, newly minted, hotly contested. But when you are using the whole phrase and as an adjective, we might use hyphens all the same. For example, the ever so slightly embarrassed salesman continued with his pitch. Here, the whole phrase ever so slightly has been used as an adjective. Compounds with prefixes such as pre, post or met are usually used in closed form. Now, if you don't know the closed form of compound words, then please visit my lecture on compound words, in which I have discussed it in more detail. You may visit it by clicking the link above on the right hand side. Now, to give examples of the prefixes, Postpartum is the closed form compound. Same is the mid-season. If you are getting confused in hyphen, adopt this simple trick. For example, if you are confused in compound word mid-June to be hyphenated or not, please change the structure of the word. For example, the middle of June, which gives the same information as being given by the mid-June. The only way to overcome the hyphenated compound word is to consult a dictionary. Now here we have a list of some compound words which are having hyphens always. For example, we have to hyphenate the numbers from 21 to 99. All fractions should be hyphenated if they are expressed in numbers. For example, 2/3 or 1/3. Prefixes self, x and all should be written in hyphen. For example, ex-president, self-expression. Suffixes self, elect, free and based should also be hyphenated. For example, French style, president-elect, Chicago based. As it is clear that compound words are complicated, so dictionary should be used whenever you are having confusion. I have collected hyphenated compound words which are frequently used. The best collection is available on my channel. The link has been given in the description box. Then you can also take it by clicking the above right-handed corner. If you like the video, please make a comment, share with your nears and dears, and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.